So here I'll use the letter M to represent the speed of the motorboat and R for the river. So if, and they tell us that the speed of the river is unchanged, and we have two scenarios, one where the speed is doubled. And so if we look at the first case, the distance, so from his office and back, let's say that distance is D. So one way he's going against the river, and then the other he's going with the river. So they don't tell you which direction, but in one case, the speed would be M plus R. The other would be M minus R. So the total time would be D over M plus R plus D over M minus R. So this is our T, the base case. Now, we're told that if you double the speed of his motorboat, then the time would be D over 2M plus R to M minus R, and then this is your T, new time. The time gets reduced by 75%. So whatever T was, you reduce it by 75%. That means it's 25% of the original. So that's our relationship. The question is the ratio of the original speed of the motorboat to the speed of the river is. So we really need M to R. And you'll see that I can create D over T. So I can divide, actually let me do that here. I can divide both sides by T. So that becomes T over D. And I'll do the same thing here. 1 over, so this is algebraically is going to be quite a bit of work. So 0.25 T over D. And this piece is the same, so I can substitute that. And then this is 0.25, so that's really just 1/4. And then 1 over M plus R. So I need to do this manipulation as quickly as possible to get this ratio. Plugging in would be a pain here, so I'm not even going to go there. So fortunately, we have the difference of squares identity, so maybe that will help. And then here, this would be 4M squared minus R squared, and then 4M. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. 2M, that's 2. And then that goes over 8 times M squared minus R squared. Okay, so it's not as bad as I originally thought. Equal to 4M squared minus R squared. That one moves here, becomes 7R squared, and I subtract 4M squared. So that's 4M squared. M squared over R squared is 7 over 4. And then I take the square root. Everything I'm looking at positive. So square root of 7 over 2, because square root of 4 is 2. That's the answer, which happens to be here, which means that I've likely got the right answer. So the answer is B.